control arm bushings. And it's not too many components on the back that needs to be done. I just had the car undercoated. Gotta do that if you want it to last. Up in Canada, where they put all kinds of nice salt on the roads. But the undercoating works. I had previous to this, we had a 2009 RAV4 that only where it hit a deer and crinkled the hood did it rust. Well, they straightened the hood out, but it rusted where it was crinkled a little bit. Other than that, it was pretty good condition. So far, so good with this one. It's only a 1.5 years old, though. Now, based on how much tread's left on the tire, put the least tread in the back. And we gotta change lug nuts because we're going from I don't know what kind of rim Toyota uses, alloy, aluminum, I'm not sure, but it's not steel. We're going to steel rims here, so change the lug nut so it doesn't rust. And this is a Toyota Corolla XSE, and they come with two 25/40R18s for the original tire. Try to find a winter tire in that size. Number one, they don't have much tread, and number two, they're expensive as all get up. So for winter, I switched to a 205 55R16 tire. It has within 0.0 something percent the same diameter, so your speedometer is the same. And this is the original size that comes on the lower end Corolla, so it works. Plus it's not as wide, so it doesn't go up on the snow as bad. It's a good compromise for the winter. You're not exactly racing around, although I don't race around anyway, so. But I decided to get these tires made in China. They were like $50 a piece. They held up really good for one winter. I don't normally buy Chinese, but a lot of people said they were good tires, so what the hell. Thought I'd give it a shot. Anyway, they've been sitting down in my basement all summer, so they need to be aired up. So I finished this side, so I'll put it on and air it up.